Welcome to Pavitra Laptop Care. Today we have received 11th generation laptop. It's a Dell Vostro, okay? But model number exactly I don't know. Let us check, okay? See, this is Intel Core i3. It's 11th gen. Sticker also different compared to 10th generation. Okay? See, I'm switching on. Let's go to BIOS. Here complete details you can check. Okay, this is Vostro. See, we were searching the model number, right? See, this is a Vostro 3500. Battery, AC adapter, processor. See, processor is 11th generation i3-1115 G4. Okay, it's a G4. So memory, whatever it may be. But we have to give a concentration on this particular model number. Vostro 3500 and processor 11th generation. Okay, now we don't have any schematic for this. Okay, in future if you want any coil related issues, so if you want coil voltage, so then it's very easy to recognize once you note down the coil voltages. Okay, those things we will note down, only coil voltages. Now I'll switch it on. I'll wear the gloves. Close is must and should. Okay, take the screwdriver. I'll open this. Let us check. What are the motherboard part and all, we will check. Okay, okay, slowly we need to open this cap. See the dust part, no one opened for this, I think so, for a long time. So initially it has come SSD. Okay, see, this is the model number. Here it's written. Okay, what is the model number? So LA. See, this is LA-K032p. LA-K032p. Note down, it's 11th generation Vostro 3500. Vostro 3500.
11th gen.
Yeah, 11th gen Vostro 3500. This is the model number. Okay, and here the motherboard part number is LA-K032p. Okay, see, here all coils are visible, almost all. Okay, this one 2 bias chips are used here, and see, this is the coil. Shall we count? So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Any other coils nearby here? Okay, total 8 coils are there. See, each coil have given a particular number, part number. Okay, each coil have given particular part number. You note down the part number and as well as voltage before power button and after pressing power button. Okay, it will be very useful to do the troubleshooting in future if you have this particular motherboard and you don't have any schematic. Number 1, you note down, it's PLM 01. Number 1, okay. Number 2, PL301.
301.
PL301, okay. Next one, PLZ01. PLZ01. Or next PLZ02. These are core coils, okay. Next PL501, maybe VCC and auxiliary, 1 volts. PLG2, okay. Next one PL1801, next PLB01, 01, and one more they given PLZ11. Let us check exactly which one. Okay, PLZ11. Okay, total how many coils? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so here just to mention, it's before power button, just B before power button, just one line here, underline and one line before, okay, just one underline. Now for safer side I am removing the battery connection. Okay, I disconnected the battery. Okay, first before forward impedance you write down. First we will check impedance of these coils. See, first we are going to check the impedance. See, for impedance, red probe goes to ground and black probe goes to particular coil. You know what is the reason? The capacitors may get charged because multimeter having voltages. Okay, that is a major reason. Now let's have check which one. PLM01. See, this may be memory coil. 250.8 ohms. 250.8 ohms. Okay, the first coil. Second one which one? PLZ01, right? PL301. Okay, 3.4K. Okay, it may be 3.3 or 5, that you come to know once we give the power supply. PLZ01. Okay, it's a 74.6 ohms. 6 ohms, not kilo. Okay, it's a major difference will be there. Next PLZ02. It's a 75.1 ohms. 1 ohms, not voltage. Next one, PL501, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that one. So 3.4K. 3.4K. Next,
PLG2.
PLG2. It's 278.3.
278.3
3 ohms. Okay. Next,
PL1801.
PL1801. That is 1.7K. Next, PLB01. PLB, not B. It's a PLB01. It's a 25K. Other one,
PLZ11.
PLZ11. I told you, right? Okay, yes. PLZ11. It's a 0.5 mega.
0.5.
1 mid. Actually, this is the main coil or not, that I don't know. Let us check once. Okay, this one is sometimes 15K. Okay, note on 15.8K. Okay, now I am giving the power supply. Okay, using the power supply, let us check what are the always coil voltage appears. Now, before power button, impedance. Okay, now it's before, DC jack. Just you write down DC jack connection. Okay, now I connected here. Now let us check the voltages. Okay, for this, black goes to ground. Okay, red goes to the particular coils. Now what are the coil?
PLM01.
No voltage. Okay, no, just no, you write down no voltage. Next, PL301.
301.
No voltage.
No. PLZ01.
PLZ01. Here also no voltage. Is it connected? Please check. Dot. Okay. Anyway, one more. What is that? PLZ02.
02.
No. PLZ
501.
501. PL501. It's 5.12 volts. 5.12 volts. See, this is 5 volts coil. Always. Okay. I think it's 3.3 not there. Okay. Anyway, one more is there. Which one? PLG2. Right?
Yes.
No. Next. Which one?
801.
1.8 volts. PL 1801, right? 1.8 volts. Next, PLB01.
PLB01.
1 minute. No volts. Here one more coil is there. That one I am checking now. And PL11. PLZ11.
PLB01.
Actually, you strike it out. It's a 19 volts coil. Okay. There's no separate coil. It's a 19 volts coil. One more is there.
Sir, PLB01. No volts.
PLB01, right? PLB01. No volts.
Next to PLZ.
PLZ11 you strike out. Actually, it's a 19 volts. One more is there. That I will tell you that. Just a minute. Here, no voltage. So PL4. Just you write down PL4 instead of PLZ11. Okay. Now we press the power button and check. Now this is before power button. Okay. We press the power button and check.
Which voltage?
No.
No.
Now here, after, just you write down, after, just after, okay, that is understood after pressing power button. Now I am keeping it in one position. Okay, now I am keeping it in one position, connecting the supply, okay, switching on, check it's done or not. Yeah, here is the power button, it's on. Okay, see here it's on. Okay, in this condition we will check. But you have to take very careful, okay. Now tell me one by one coil.
PL M01.
Now PL
M01.
M01 1.2,
1.2.
okay. Next
PL 301.
PL
301.
301, right?
Yes.
So 3.3 volts. See here in this 3.3 volts after pressing power button, okay. But before pressing power button 5 volts is available.
5 volts only.
Yeah,
And
5 volts
also-
only.
and
1.8 volts. Okay, only 1.8 and 5 volts. We will discuss later. First, we note down the things. Okay. Next one.
3.3 volts.
That's okay. Next,
PLZ01.
that 1.6 volts.
Next PLZ02.
1.6 volts.
PLZ02 also
1.6 volts. Both are core voltage. That's why. Next,
PL501.
that's you know already. It's a 5.1, right? That also coming. Next.
5 volts.
Yeah, 5.1, 5.2. Next,
Next PLG2.
PLZ2.
G2.
Z2. Sorry, PLZ2. So, 0.1 mid. So 1 volts. Just a minute. Be constant. 1.8 volts. That is also 1.8 volts.
This coil.
801. Right, 1801.
1.8 volts, right?
Yes.
PL1 801.
This one, yeah, PLG2, it's 1.8 volts.
Yes.
Okay.
Next coil. PL1 801.
That also 1.8.
1.8.
Okay. Next,
PLB01.
PLB01, there is no voltage.
Okay.
Yeah, PLB 01, there is no voltage. Maybe it's a battery coil, I think so. Battery we have removed, right? So that is the reason. No voltage. So all over. So bias pin number 8, 3.3. See, this is the basic voltage checks. Now we will remove the adapter. Carefully we have to close this, keep it aside, and show me what are the notes you have taken. See, this PLM1, this coil, right?
Yes.
Before power button, it's impedance is 250.8 ohms. Keep it side. PL301, this is the one, 74.6 ohms. PLZ02, 75.1. Here, which one? PL
02.
501.
50.
PL 501, 3.4K. Okay.
PLG2.
PLG2, this one. PLG2 to 78.3 volts. PL, sorry, ohms, sorry. PL 1801. This is the one. This one 1.7K. PL 801. B01. PLB01. Okay. 25K. Now, before power button, this one is no. 5.12 volts always. Here no, it's 1.8 volts always. Here no. And after pressing the power button, it's a RAM voltage. It's a PLM01. Okay, it's 1.2 volts. PL301. It's a 3.3 volts. PLZ01. It's 1.6 volts. PLZ02. These two are 4 voltages. Okay, 4 voltages. Next, PL501. As usual, it's a 5.1 volts, 1.2 volts. Okay, it's always. PLG2. Okay, 1 volts, 1.8 volts. It's after pressing power button. And it's PL1801. Always voltage 1.8 volts always. After pressing button also same. PLB01. It may be battery coil. I think so, because we removed the battery. So that's the reason. In depth, once we open the motherboard, we can check one by one section. Okay. Now, today we have finished the class of introduction of the particular motherboard. It's 11th generation motherboard. It's LA-K032p. Okay. So see, almost all sections are same compared to all generation. Some particular voltages will be not there. So in 10th generation 2.5 was there. Here maybe they're using that coil they have given, I think so. But in deeply we can check. But this is the one rough note. So voltage sequence of 11th generation LA-K032p, and model number, laptop model number is Vostro 3500. Okay, we will finish this chapter today.
So one question.
Yeah, tell me.
1.8 volts.
Yeah, that one deeply we can check. Usually 1.8 and 2.5 always will come. Once 3.5 and 3.3 and 5 volts comes, so we'll get 1.8 and 2.5 in 10th generation. In 11th generation 1.8 always we are getting. Maybe 2.5 also will be there, but we need to check in other side also. So here it's 1.8 after pressing power button only is generating. So one by one we can check thoroughly. This is basic introduction on particular sections. Any doubt?
No.
Thank you.